question is, it says here, ghulam. The ghulam can be from childhood up to the age of distinguishing, because there is distinguishing still before the age of adulthood, and up to the adulthood. So it include all of that. So it could be from ghulam all the way to 15 years old, which is the adulthood. So that's the question is here. Okay, let's say that he had died and he hasn't reached the adulthood. Is he going to go to Jannah or is he going to go to hellfire? And this is the question that's been dealt with by the scholars, and they have difference. The children of the kuffar, do they go to hell or do they go to paradise? We have so many opinions. Imam Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahullah summarized those opinions. Dar al-Hijratain, in that, and he had given 8 opinions regarding where is the fate. We are concerned with 2, the most strongest one. One, that they will be given a test. Second one, they are in Jannah. Those are the 2 strongest opinions. One, they will be what? Given a test. I mean, those children of the kuffar, they will be tested. And this is opinion adopted by a number of scholars. But we believe the scholars who are said they are in Jannah, they have a very strong argument. They are in Jannah. Because of the hadith of the Prophet's ascension, when he saw Adam alayhi salam, he saw as well on his right the people of Jannah, and he saw also the children of the kuffar there. They are from the people of Jannah. And they haven't reached the age to distinguish. Now, the other issue is regarding the distinguishing child. He is not an adult, but he knows the wrong from the right. He knows that if he passes wind, he will break his wudu, for example. That person, is he going to be dealt with as a child, or is he going to be dealt as an adult? Some scholars, they said that, because this hadith says that this boy who's old enough to serve the Prophet ﷺ, he can distinguish between the right and the wrong. And the Prophet of Allah, he made him to embrace Islam. And then he said, praise be to Allah that he had saved him from the fire. So if he died upon the kufr, he would have been what? From the fire. That's a very strong, as well, you could say, a point of view. But the thing is, the word ghulam can also accommodate for somebody who had reached his adulthood. Just finished his age of what? Childhood. So he is like 15 years old, it's called ghulam. And maybe he reaches adulthood. Allahu a'lam. But definitely, the children who did not reach the age of distinguishing age, the stronger opinion, they are in Jannah without a test. The one who reached the distinguishing age, that's where the hadith says that if they died upon what they believe, they will go to hellfire. They will be going to the fire. And if he is an adult, then he has to embrace Islam. Otherwise, he will be not going to paradise. Also, we learn from this hadith, is allowed to visit the person who is non-Muslim. And the visit here, for the sake of the socialization, but the most important thing is that we want to present the deen for him. So it's not just a visit and to chit-chat for nothing. No.